My name's Faraday. Today we're going to be learning about wildcats. Wildcats are like cheetahs, leopards. Hyenas seem like wildcats, but they're actually not. Some of wildcats are lions and tigers. Cheetahs run so fast because they have a streamline-shaped body. Leopards are like cheetahs, only they don't have claws out, so they can't run quite as fast. And, well, lions have that big mane to protect from bites on their neck. Tigers are cool because of that stripy pattern, but nobody knows why they have it. And nobody knows why cheetahs and leopards have those spots. And unless you're a child like me or a teenager, if you're an adult, you don't have to worry about cheetahs or leopards eating you. If you're a kid, if they were hungry enough, they might eat you. And lions, tigers, they're totally unpredictable. They could eat you at any time. Unless you're in a Jeep, even though they could hop into the Jeep like you do, for some reason they don't. And tigers, I'm not sure about them.